What's up guys? In this video I review the top 3 affordable women's toiletry bag. If you want more details and updated prices of the products that I mentioned in this video, please check the links in the first comment. I made this list based on durability, budget price, and more. I've included options for every type of customer, so you'll know exactly the best product for you by the end of this video. Now let's watch the video. Number 3. Masio Hanging Toiletry Bag. The Masio Hanging Toiletry Bag is an absolute must-have for any traveler or anyone who loves to stay organized. This bag is not only functional but also incredibly stylish. The design features multiple compartments and pockets, providing ample space to store all your toiletries and cosmetics. The hanging feature is a game changer, allowing you to access your items effortlessly and keep them neatly organized. The high-quality construction and durable materials ensure that this bag will last through many adventures. The attention to detail is evident with the sturdy hook, reinforced handle, and waterproof exterior. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a long trip, the Masio Hanging Toiletry Bag is a practical and fashionable choice to keep your essentials in order. Number 2. BagSmart Travel Bag with Hanging Hook. The BagSmart Travel Bag is a game changer when it comes to organizing your belongings for your travels. This bag combines functionality with a sleek and compact design that is perfect for any trip. The spacious interior provides ample room to store your essentials, whether it's toiletries, cosmetics, or electronic gadgets. The multiple compartments and pockets make it easy to keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. The durable and water-resistant material ensures that your belongings stay protected, even in unpredictable weather conditions. Additionally, the bag features a sturdy handle for comfortable carrying, and a compact size that fits effortlessly in your suitcase. With its stylish design and exceptional functionality, the BagSmart Travel Bag is a must-have for any traveler who values organization and convenience. Number 1. Bureau's Extra Large Capacity Hanging Toiletry Bag. The Bureau's Extra Large Toiletry Bag is a game-changer for travelers looking for maximum storage capacity and organization. This bag offers an impressive amount of space to store all your toiletries, cosmetics, and travel essentials. With its extra-large size, you'll never have to worry about leaving anything behind. The high-quality material ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable companion for your adventures. The sturdy handle and smooth zippers add to the convenience and functionality of the bag. Whether you're going on a short weekend trip or a long vacation, the Bureau's Extra Large Toiletry Bag has got you covered. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying multiple bags, and hello to a compact and efficient solution for all your toiletry storage needs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate it. Please like this video if it is helpful to you in any way. If you don't want to miss the next videos, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. I hope to see you in the next video. Until the next video, take care.